Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making the keto fish akara. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. I have vegetable oil, fresh fish, half onion, grounded pepper, 1 Maggi cube, garlic powder, water, salt, ginger powder, and 3 eggs. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. I will put my well cleaned fish inside the pot. I'll add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of grounded pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 Maggi cube. I'll pour 1 cup of water inside. I'll add my onion, then stir it round. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. While it's cooking, I'll be coming to turn it round so that the other side can cook as well. I will cook the fish until the water dries up so that all the seasonings can enter inside very well. It's up to 10 minutes now. I'll take out the fish from the pot and set it aside and let it cool down. Now we take out all the bones from the fish. After that, I will mash it together so that the fish will break into smaller pieces. When mashing it, if you see more bone, please remove it. I will put the mashed fish inside the blender. Then pour in the whisk egg. I'll cover it. Then blend it. After blending it, this is how it looks. It's now time to fry. I will scoop the keto fish akara into the preheated oil. I'll fry it on each side for 2 minutes until it's golden brown. Now flip it over to the other side so that it can cook as well. So now this is perfectly done. It's golden brown. I will now remove it from heat and leave it to drain on a paper towel. This is how it looks. So guys, this is the end result of my keto fish akara. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.